The most clever way to get the best for your laundry. Just one touch to broaden the boundaries of your washing habits. Keep the conditions of your washing machine under control. To preserve outstanding performances over time. Get the best efficiency of your washer. Learn how to improve your habits, taking under control your frequently used functions. Download new cycles in tune with your ever-changing needs. Keep your washing machine updated over time. Only 3 steps to achieve the perfect washing cycle, just speaking with your washing machine.
Shirts, trousers, socks. Colored. Lightly soiled.
Simply the most advanced way to wash. Organize your day at best. The washing machine is so intelligent that it stops the washing at the exact moment desired. Hoover Link. Understands in one touch.